India ki former Prime Minister, aduga koi Manipur ki Governor Soibiramba, adu khakta natana Assembly sigi Speaker Singh, aduga aikoi ki mangda Assembly sigi member Oibiramba, Mantri mayam oiba moi ki matamda Manipur ki phalna basin biba moi mayam. So I have Assembly sigi member am oina makoi desu Ishwar ki manakta nungai ne ingna tabna leibo oishnu haina aigi side tagi thamjage. Asigi marakta cell number 4 de yauba Sri Bidi Berhing asi ayaki kendra gini aigi senior leader ni family oina redi aigi mama ni ayak maga Chandal Gilam Green Hills area Lampau Charu haiba digi dhara maseni bani mamasu oye mahakna tawbiramba thabak makai singsi aigi mangi senior leader sing member mayam nasu haibire asigi marakta aina Chandal gi hoji MLA moina amukasu haizaning bududi Sri Bidi Berhing Mama Apu Berhing se Chandal gi oinadi atang bami amani mahakumba amana sembiramba sinbiramba thabak pumnamakse ma masana laikhidaba taragasu masi thabak na hingaga lehore maduda isa maksisu madugi khonggundu lizaraga ai ngasi noi marakta lepa phangjabane aduna makse khoi Chandel gi damakte kaubang amoidaba leader mani haidina ai mama Berhing gi maramda ai thamjage yamna magi afaba mayam doina phongdok piba taba gandasu henna ai pukning nungsi aduga ai ningsinge ada yam sangbani na 1 to 15 mayam haidraga su ai gi kendra gi khaktang ai sumena panjage mama Berhing se mai mapai gi maming se Bidi Kono kawe aduga mahaga se anti Zeluna kabui da se mai gi nupi ni machanupa ni machanupi mari lerame sumen toraga mama se yam qualified oiba lairik laisu haiba aikoi gi ex MLA ni Chandel gi oina ma master degree in political science ta mahak loijaba mi ni adu khakta natana my student life digi horaga Chandel gi damakta loina achawbudi gi apik phawbada mana sembiramba yaubirapa semba magi record mayam se khoi Chandel machana hojik phawbning singdana lai adu laibak thina hakum gi June gi date 26 hospital da Delhi da lekide Manipur da magi dead body si 27 de Europe pani mama se Khambathel Thorcham heba Khambathel sulai Thorcham heba khundi gi suma oye sumaina lakpani adu mama se pu Bidi Berhing se magi kau banga moida ba magi majid ama ina so haijage Sri Bidi Berhing has a distinguished political career in In 1990, he was elected to the 5 Manipur Legislative Assembly from the 41 Chandel constituency on a Janata Dal ticket. Later the same year, he was elected to the Rajya Sabha from Manipur on 29 March 1990, though he resigned shortly onward on 10 April 1990. During his tenure, he also served as a Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sport. In 2002, he was re-elected to the 8th Manipur Legislative Assembly on a BJP ticket, continuously his service to the people. Before and beyond his legislative responsibility, Bidi Berhing was deeply involved in student and civil society movement. He served as the president of Anal Naga Student Union, president of the District Student Federation, and general secretary of the All Tribal Student Union Manipur. He was also a councillor of the JNU Student Council and president of the JNU Tribal Student Union. adu khakta natana pu bering se ekhoi ge naga society desu magi contribution yam lei panbada loi banaira roi adu bo aina amani ai adum haizage asa anal tribe ama oina mahak writer masoye anal singi origin and migration of anal tribe haidana mane ikiba musulai adu bo magi leadership yamna leadership role lokhiba leye including General Secretary of United Naga Council, founder member of the Hills People's Forum Manipur, and president of the Manipur Border Area Development Society. He was also a life member of the Civil Liberties and Human Rights Organization Manipur. Asumaina pu bering si yamna ningsing ngai oiba yam visionary oiba leader amani committed social worker ni and a strong voice for justice and equality aduduna ngasi pu berhing na leitabasida Chandel gi MLA ma oina Chandel pumbagi on behalf da nungai taba aduga ikoi awabada sarup jazari aduga pu berhing da na apuba tauriba mayam aduna ishorna khangbire hairaga mahapu sarga leibakta nungaina ishorgi manakte ingna tapna leibo oishino heduna ai maki masu ama oina masu nupi ama oina aduga Chandel gi 41 sitting MLA ama oina ai thamjabag loinana may he solve rest in eternal peace and may his legacy continues to inspire future generation Thagasiri Honorable Speaker, sir, thank you.
Mathanda, Honorable Member L.M. Kokte.